What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a super exciting day. We're gonna be bidding on one of the cars that we really like. It's 2016 Lamborghini Huracan LP-610 Spider. Really nice car, so let's take a look and see exactly what we got. We got a Lamborghini. Look at this nice color combination, red with black, Spider, and very small damage, just a quarter panel, and then it looks like it's missing the rear bumper and the tail light and little spoiler, but everything else seems to be okay. Couple of scrapes on the wheels, but the rest of the car looks perfect. So just quarter and door most likely it's fixable. And let's take a look at the interior. Interior is in perfect condition as well, no airbags deployed. Nice two-tone interior, suede and leather with red stitching. So super nice car. We really like this car, so if everything goes well, we should be able to buy this. A live auction starts any minute.
Come on, let me have it.
Woohoo! We got it, man! That's a good price. 123,000. Woohoo! Man, let's go see what we got. Oh, before we go look at the car, if you guys are new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. And now let's go check out our new project. New build just arrived. Lamborghini Huracan Spider 2016, 12,000 miles, super clean, very light damage. Let's go around and I'll show you what she looks like. Red color with black interior, and it looks nice. Some wheels damage, but scrapes we could probably recondition. Here's the damage, just a little quarter panel swipe side and the door, and pretty much that's it, because nothing's behind it, just an empty shell. So that's it. This is what she looks like. We'll unload this bad boy and start getting all the new parts and get this thing back on the road. Let's unload the car and we'll go from there. Mister, your new car? Wow, nice. Rich man. So we got the Lamborghini in the shop, and man, this thing is spotless, pretty much barely any damage, and we already got all the parts. So let's go around and I'll show you what's going on with the car. So we'll start with this end. Door has little damage, so we're gonna try to fix the door. We're gonna mess around with it and see if everything will come out. Then for the quarter, pretty much they just removed the quarter, and one of the intercoolers probably got scraped or damaged, so we got a new intercooler. Pretty much everything is good up here. We got the new quarter ready, new rear bumper and the spoiler. I don't know what happened to the original bumper and spoiler. I guess somebody had some sticky fingers and it's missing with the tail light. So oh well, stuff happens like that, but we already got all the new parts. We'll make one short video just repairing the door, installing the quarter panel, painting and putting everything back together and make it look like nothing ever happened. But yeah, very light damage. I can't believe they totaled perfect car with such a minor damage. And we already got all the parts from Lamborghini, so we could start putting it slowly together. But yeah, very light damage, should be on the road in no time. So let's jump in and start working on the door. We'll remove the door and try to fix it, and we'll go from there. I'll let you know how that will come out. We just installed the quarter panel, and also we end up fixing the door. So the door is perfect, gaps are perfect. Let's take a closer look. Check out this quarter. Perfect gaps everywhere, and same with the door gap. And door looks like nothing ever happened. We got our lines going up and down, so came out really nice. So next we'll start the painting process, and we're gonna show you guys how to make this paint job 100% perfect. We'll let Andre do his magic once again. Let's go. Got the Lamborghini in a spray boot, prepped, masked, and ready to go. So Andre's gonna do his magic once again and make it look like nothing ever happened. Then we'll start putting everything back together. And let's go. Lamborghini is painted and ready to go. Wow, it came out beautiful. Let's take a look. Check it out. Look at this. What happened? Nothing happened. Like brand new. Perfect color match as well. Andre killed it once again. We could start putting the car back together and it's ready for wash and detail and ready to hit the streets. Just put the Lamborghini completely together and wow, it looks amazing. Such a beautiful car. So let's do a quick walk around and check it out and see exactly what we did. We'll start with the front end. Front end was perfect. It only had a side damage, so we end up repairing the front door. We got a brand new quarter, a new rocker molding, rear bumper and a tail light, and then we end up getting a perfect Monte style wing, and this thing just tied this car completely together. And I love about this car that it's red color with gloss black accents. So man, this thing looks amazing. And then once we detail the car, it's gonna look like brand new, but this is what it looks like. Came out beautiful. Wow, speechless. So next we're gonna wash, detail the car like I said, and the car is actually sold. One of our local subscribers from YouTube reached out to us and asked us if we have anything available. We said we do. We just purchased a Lamborghini Huracan and he just came down here. Before we even had a chance to finish the car, he came down, he looked at it, he gave us a deposit. So the car is sold. Once everything is washed, detailed, he's gonna come pick it up tomorrow. So let's pull the car out, get this thing all washed up and detailed, and then after that we'll take some cinematic shots for you guys. Let's go. Lamborghini is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Wow, it came out beautiful, like nothing ever happened. And the new owner just arrived, and you guys get to meet him. How's it going, Mr. Archie?
Oh, doing good. Thank you so much. I really appreciate what you guys did with the car.
Beautiful came out, huh?
I mean, it's perfect, you know.
And he just called us out of nowhere, and he was like, hey, you guys got anything? And just showed up at the shop, and he's like, this is my car.
Yeah, when I test drove it, I was like, oh.
Game over.
Perfect, yeah.
But if you would see this car on the street somewhere, would you ever say it was involved in some kind of a collision or it's a salvage title?
Like, the way that you guys did like the repairs on it, like, I mean, like I said, like nothing ever happened, you know?
Exactly. Color matches on point,
Yeah.
just absolutely perfect car.
Yes, yes.
There you guys go. That's the new owner, and you brought something to us.
Oh yeah, I did, yeah.
He brought his old car. We're gonna sell it and Tell us a little bit about the car.
2008 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution has like a full Varus wide body kit on it.
So this is gonna be up for sale. So if you guys are interested, and this is a clean title.
Yes.
How many miles?
This is a 2008, so it has like 110,000 miles.
110,000 miles.
So it has the Dulux carbon fiber trunk on it. This is the authentic one. You got the Varus rear diffuser on there, the Varus rear bumper, and then you got your Varus wide body kit.
Wow. And then those wheels are very popular.
Yeah, these are the Vogue T37s, and they're 1911 inches all around, wrapped in 305, 3019.
Wow, those are some white tires.
White tires, Hankook tires on it. You got the Varus wide side skirts to go with the wide
it
body.
ties in together.
Yes, you got the Varus canards, and you got the Varus hood on it. So basically,
Interior is beautiful.
yeah.
So
it also has
complete.
the carbon fiber roof on it.
So lots of carbon fiber goodies on it.
Yes.
And then obviously fully redone custom interior.
Yeah, you got the grid interior with the
wow.
seats and the Toro panel and the Alcantara,
Suede.
Suede.
Roof, yeah.
the roof and all that. So yeah.
Wow, this is a beauty. And it's clean, like
It's clean, and
all the body lines,
yeah,
everything.
you can see that these are like titanium bolts.
Yeah, those are expensive as well. So no, somebody put a lot of effort to make this car look the way it is. If you guys are interested in Evo in the market, give us a call. And what's gonna be the sale price on this one?
It's gonna be 39,000.
39,000 or best offer, right?
Best offer, yes.
Yeah, so 39 grand or best offer. The car's gonna be with us, so if you guys are local here in the area, more than welcome, come down, take a look, take it to your mechanic, do whatever you guys gotta do. But yeah, this is a beauty. So quick little nice transaction. He got rid of this one, and time to enjoy the Lambo.
For sure.
So nice switch. Well, there you guys go. So that's the new owner of the Lamborghini. Enjoy your beautiful toy.
Oh yeah.
Unfortunately, we didn't get to even enjoy it. It went by so quickly.
1 week.
We had it one weekend, and that's it. Pretty much just drove it a little bit to the beach and back, and that was the end of it. So congratulations.
Oh.
You got a really beautiful car, and enjoy it. Another happy customer. Lamborghini sold. See ya. Well, there you guys go. The Lamborghini is sold. The new owner is happy with his toy. So thank you guys once again for watching. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!